How to change Siri's name on iPhone iOS 18. Let's get started. With upgrade to iOS 18, now you are able to change name for Siri. Let's dive in. Launch your settings. Scroll down. Navigate to the option of accessibility. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under speech, you'll find the option of vocal shortcuts. Click on that option. Now click on the option Set up vocal shortcuts. Click on Continue. Now here you're gonna find System section. Under that you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of Siri. Click on it. Now add a speakable phrase that is unique to run this action. So here you can give a name to your Siri. I'm gonna give it as Fix Forum. After you type in, click on Go. Now go and spell the name that you have given to your Siri for the 3 times. And just for that, your action is ready. Click on Continue. Now whenever you spell Fix Forum, Siri will be enabled. Fix Forum. You can see that Siri has been enabled. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily change Siri name on iPhone iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.